Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a really quick small haul to share today. First thing I got, I had to pick up some crafters tape, the 4-pack. Pick that up. And I also grabbed some ribbon from the ribbon aisle. I don't know what color this is. It just says powder pink. Oh, there you go. Powder pink glitter ribbon. And it just looks like that. I think it's wire. I think it's wired. Yeah, it's wired. Okay, and then I picked up another one, and this is also that's funny. This one doesn't say what it is. But you can see it's the 1.5 and then the 1 inch. 1.5 and 1 inch, but they're pretty much the same color, pink glitter. So I got that. Another thing I picked up in the ribbon aisle is the glitter tool, and there's not much on here. You can see how much is on here, but I was running out of my pink, and I picked the one with glitter by mistake. Now, I've already used some of this because I was working on a project, but I've never used the Glitterific before. So I've used this on a project already, and I still got to play with it because, look, that's what it looks like. This is with paint, and this is the same pink Glitterific without paint. So it's kind of, you know, scattered. It's not as covered as I want it, and then there's some that are just like, you know, really chunky, and I don't know. I have to practice using it, so I have more. And then I got the gold. So that is what they're supposed to look like. So I've got my work cut out for me. I got to practice with that. And the next thing I picked up in the ribbon aisle also are these little bags, same company, Ofray or Offray. And these are just the little teeny tiny bows, and they have pearls on them. Let me see if I can open it. They're super tiny. Yep, there you go. And it has a little tiny pearl, and it's sewed on there. It's not glue. It's like you could see the thread. So I got that one, and it's very light pink. And you can see the different kind of pink that they have. And this is almost like a flamingo pink on this one. And this is a different flower. It's a flower, actually. I take it back. And it has the little teeny tiny pearl right there. It's so tiny. I love it. And yeah, I figured I could use it on more of my projects, like layering and putting more dimension into that. Okay. And then the next thing I got were the thickers. I got the Skylar. That's what they call it, and it's thickers. And they're double-sided. And this one says celebrate, hashtag girl, hashtag squad, awesome, happy, sweet, hashtag go girl. This is hashtag best friends, hashtag create, inspired, dream, hooray, hashtag hi, thank you, and love. Love it. So I got 1 pack of those. I picked up, you guessed it, the pink with the glitter. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. At Walmart. Thickers. I love it. I love that they're improving their craft section. I don't remember how much these were, the thickers, but they're comparable to going to Tuesday Morning and picking these up. Yeah, and so that is the glitter one. This one is called Magic. Right there. And then the last one that I picked up is called the Coastline, or Coastline, and you can see it's holographic, but there's like a pink background, a pink foam behind it, and this is all you get. It's so pretty. And that one is, yeah, Coastline. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. And I'll see you all on the next video, which is coming up soon, guys. Don't forget, we have the Magical Christmas collab every Friday for the month of November. A bunch of us YouTubers we're going to be posting videos at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there's so many cute projects, you guys. I mean, they're all small and quick, usually. At least the ones that I'm going to be posting, small and quick. And please check them out. It's hosted by Pink Zebra, the Unicorn Crafter, or the Crafty Unicorn. Sorry, Danielle. Pink Zebra, the Crafty Unicorn. So go check them out this coming Friday. Thanks, guys.